Hello guys, welcome back to my next video. Today I want to show you a Lego marbles vending machine with a new mechanism. And this is the new point I want to talk about. That spot serves both as a coin slot and a button to press so the marble falls out. Now let's see how this Lego marbles vending machine works. Put coins in and press. So, we can get the marble now. This is where you get the coins. However, the door has no latch to hold it open, but there's a key right next to it to open it. With a machine of this size, it can hold 6 marbles. The coin slot pops open like that thanks to the spring I installed inside. Before inserting a coin, the part containing the marble does not push upwards to release the marble. When you insert a coin, the gap between the coin and the part containing the ball is large enough to push that part up. And thanks to the connection between the coin slot and the ball holder at the back, when the coin slot returns, it pulls the ball holder back to its original position. Now, take out your Lego bricks and build this vending machine. watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos from my channel. See you in the next video.